Today's Medworks' second day of the free dental clinic. We have totally free dental care for the underserved. Anybody who shows up gets served, no questions asked. No proof of insurance, no proof of income, no proof of citizenship. You show up here today at Medworks, you'll be seen. We have over 300 dental professionals volunteering with many more lay volunteers. First patient was in line at 4:15 this morning, and the line of patients wrapped down Lakeside Avenue and up through the mall.
We're doing cleanings, we're doing sealants for the kids, we've got extractions, and then I'm in charge of doing flippers. What a flipper is a temporary denture. It incorporates a few teeth. It doesn't give you all of the teeth that you're going to have. And if you're missing one or two teeth, at least it gives you something that you can put in there and you can smile. But it just gives you a little bit more self-confidence. It gives you a little bit more, it just makes you feel better, makes you feel happier because you've got teeth in the front.
Just the enormity of it alone makes it so different than anything else we've done before. As you can see in the background behind me, we have, the volunteer list alone is 300 people. Now we're solving problems, we're not just kind of covering them up. So, and the patients know that and they appreciate that. And we get so fulfilled by helping every single one we can.
Found the number, so wrote it down, came down here. Yesterday I walked in, went in, got seen, x-rayed, went to the numbing process, and then the dentist pulled the teeth, went for impressions, came down, and voila. Amazing.
I thank God for this, because without this kind of care, I would have never got my teeth done. Yeah, I feel more confident. I didn't like smiling before I had got it done, because my teeth was trying to turn yellow and brown, and I had to hold my head down when I smiled or something. Now I feel a lot better. I can smile now.
I feel like $1.5 million bucks, not just $1 million bucks. This has been such a unbelievable change for me. I never would have been able to afford this. I'm out on disability and haven't been able to afford the deductibles for my dental insurance. So I've had a missing tooth for like months now. You guys have been miracle workers, all of them, everybody. I cannot say enough about the program and all the volunteers. I mean, from the bottom of my heart, God bless you all.
Just a shout out to all the volunteers, because without them, we can't do anything. I mean, we have just so many people here. Everybody is coming together, and when everyone comes together, we get the kind of result that we're getting today.